Welcome to our next class, students. Today we will start chapter number 8, that is percentage. So anything you need to convert to percentage, just multiply it with 100. Let's start with the exercise. Look children, 8.1 exercise. Question is convert the following fraction into percentage. So when you have to convert all these fractions to percentage, you just multiply it with 100. So let's practice these questions now. 3 by 25. Clear? In order to convert it to percentage, we'll multiply it with 100. 125 will get cancelled with 4. 3 4s are 12% is your answer. 4 by 5 into 100. Cut 100 with 5. It will go with 20. 20 4s are 80% is the answer. 3 by 4 into 100. Cut it with 4. You know that 25 4s are 100. So 25 into 3 is 75%. 2 by 3 into 100. You know that 100 and 3 cannot be cancelled. So you have to divide 200 with 3. How? Look here. 200 divided with 3. 3 6 are 18. Clear? Again 3 6 are 18. 2 left. For this you will put a decimal here. Write 0. 2 6 are 18. Again. So you can see that 666 will repeat again and again. So you will obtain the answer 66.666 and so on percentage. So after the decimal only 2 digits are required. Third is 6. Third digit is 6 which is greater than 5. So we will add 1 to the previous digit. This is called rounding of the number. So answer will be 66.67. Next is change 1 to percent. That can be done by multiplying it with 100. 100% is the answer. 4 2 by 5. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2 is 22 by 5. Multiply by 100. 5 can cancel 100 by the table of 20. So you will get 440%. This completes your first question. Second question is convert the percentage into fraction. Now percentage is given and you have to change it to fraction. Percent means 16 by 100 we can write. Now you can see both these numbers can be cancelled with the table of 4. 4 4s are 16. 25 4s are 100. Now they can't be cancelled. So this is a fraction only. 4 by 25 is the answer. Next is 48% which can be written as 48 by 100. So cut it with the table of 4. 12 4s are and 25 4s are 100. Your answer is 12 by 25. Further they cannot be cancelled. 5% can be written as 5 by 100. Cut it with the table of 5. 5 1s are and 5 20s are. So 1 by 20 is the answer. 25% means 25 by 100. Both these can be cancelled with the table of 25 itself or 5. Clear? 25 4s are 100. So it can be written as 1 by 4. 105% can be written as 105 upon 100. Cut them with 5. When you cut this with 5, see you take 11. 2 5s are 10. 1 is left over here. This number will become 15. Okay. 5 3s are 15. So cut 100 with 5. You will get 20. Your answer is 23 by 20. Next is 1% which can be written as 1 by 100. So it can't be cancelled. This is in the lowest form only. So this fraction is the answer. Third question. Convert the following percentage into ratio. Now you have to convert them to ratio. Same question only. First you have to write them in the lowest form. 20% can be written as 20 by 100. Cut it with the table of 5. You will get 1 by 5 which can be written as 1 ratio 5. Next is 125% can be written as 125 by 100. Cut them with the table of 5. Clear? When you will cut it, you will obtain the answer 5 by 4 which can be written as 5 ratio 4. Next is 34%. Clear? Which can be written as 34 by 100. Cut them with the table of 2. Clear? When you cut it with 2, 17 2s are 34 and 50 2s are 100. Further they can't be cancelled. So your answer is 17 ratio 50. Fourth part is a mixed fraction. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 2 is 20 divided by 3 percentage. Clear? Remove the percent. That 100 will be written over here. 100 and 20 they will get cancelled with each other. 20 5s are 100. You are left with 1 upon 5 3s are 15 which can be written as 1 ratio 5. Next is 3 by 5%. Remove percent. 100 will come over here. 3 can't cancel 5 and 100. Nothing can be cancelled. So answer will be 3 ones are 3 upon 500. So ratio is 3:500. So same way, this is a decimal problem. Clear? First you remove the percentage, 100 will come over here and here will be the decimal. Now you have to remove decimal also. This 100 is because of percentage and this 100 if you remove decimal. After the decimal there are 2 digits, so 100 will come over here. Now you can see here 1 0 gets cancelled with this. You are left with 101 over 1000. So this ratio is your answer. Next question, change into the percentage. Ratio is given and I already told you whatever you have to convert to percent, multiply it with 100. 5:7. 5 upon 7 into 100. Nothing can be cancelled. You are left with 500 upon 7. So this division is already shown over here. Divide 500 with 7. You will get 71 3/7. 71 whole 3/7% is your answer. Next is 2:9. 2/9 into 100. Nothing can be cancelled. It will become 200 upon 9. Clear? Show the division. 200 divided by 9. When you will divide it, you will get this. So how to write in the mixed fraction? 22 whole 2/9%. Next is 57/300 into 100. In order to convert it to percent, 0 zeros will get cancelled and 19 3s are 57. 3 and 57 will get cancelled with each other. Your answer is 19%. Next is 14/25 into 100. Cut 100 with 25. It will get cancelled with the table of 4. 14 4s are 56% is your answer. Similarly, you can do remaining parts also. 360/45 into 100. Do the cuttings and your answer is what? 800. 1:10. 1 over 10 into 100. 1 0 will get cancelled. You are left only with 10. So 10% is your answer. Next is convert the percentage into decimal. Very simple. 9%. How you can write 9/100? Now you have to insert decimal. So children, write the numerator as it is. Like 9 you write as it is. Count the number of zeros. There are 2 zeros. Leave 2 digits. 1, 2 and then put here the decimal. This is the answer. 0.56% means 56. This 100 after removal of the decimal and this 100 after removal of the percentage. Now you are left with what? 56 upon 4 zeros. Clear? So how to write? Write 56. Numerator as it is. Number of zeros are 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 digits you have to leave. This is your answer. In the same way, 16.7%. This 10 after removal of the decimal and 100 after removal of the percentage. Total 3 zeros in the denominator. So where will be the decimal? Leave 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. It will be after 1. So answer will be 0.167. Next is 23 1/3. Change this mixed fraction. You will get 93/4%. Percentage we have not removed. Clear? Divide 93 with 4. What your answer is? Let's divide 93 with 4. 4 2s are 8. 1 left. 4 3s are 12. 1 is left over here. Write 0 for that decimal. 4 2s are 8. 2 left. Write 0. 4 5s are 20. So children, after you divide 93 with 4, we got 23.25%. But percentage is still left. Now remove this percentage. What you will get? This 100 after the removal of decimal and this 100 after the removal of percentage. So total 4 zeros you will get. Leave 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where will be the decimal? Will be over here. Next is 4/7%. 0.57. 4/7. Divide 4 with 7. What you will get? 0.57. You can show the division here. 4 divided by 7. Let's divide 4 with 7. Can't be divided. Write here 0. By which table? 7 5s are 35. 10 minus 5 is 5. Here 50 will get. 7 7s are 49. 1 you will get. 7 1s are 7. 3. Then 0. Then by which table? 7 4s are 28. You will left with what? 2 here. Then 0. Then 7 2s are 14 and so on. So we obtain 0.571428. Clear? After what? Dividing 4 with 7. Clear? Now I already told you need only 2 digits after the decimal. Third is what? 1. Clear? So 1 is less than 5. These numbers will remain same. It will be 0.57%. Now we have to remove percentage. Look here. Remove the percent, 100 will come. Remove the decimal, 100 will come. Total 4 zeros. Clear? Write the numerator as it is. Leave 4 digits and insert the decimal. That will be your answer. Last question of the exercise. Convert these decimals to percentage. Very simple, children. Remove decimal. 10 will come down. In order to convert it to percent, you have to multiply with 100. 1 0 will get cancelled. You are left with 570%. 0.5, 5 by 10 into 100, 0, 0. This 10 after the removal of decimal, 100 for converting it to percentage. Answer is what? 50%. Next is 0.49. Remove decimal of this. It is 0, 2 zeros will come upon 100. And this 100, because we need to convert it to percentage. So 100 completely will get cancelled. Your answer is 49%. Fourth part. Remove decimal. After the decimal 1, 2, 3 digits are there. So 1000 will come down. This 100 for converting it to percentage. 2 zeros will get cancelled. You are left with 1 0 in the denominator. So for this what we'll write? We will put here decimal. Only 1 0. Leave 1 digit and put the decimal. That will be in percentage. Next, after the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. Clear? 4 zeros will come into 100. 2 zeros will get cancelled. You are left with 2 zeros in the denominator. So leave 2 digits and insert here the decimal. That answer is in percentage. With this, children, your first exercise is complete. Only first exercise of this chapter is in syllabus. That is finished. Prepare well. Thank you.